AI platforms that you can use to create AI videos free and unlimited. The first one gives you access to Seedance 2.0 and other top models. And guys, the last one is incredibly insane because it offers us free and unlimited access. I want to walk you through step by step on how to access this. I know that better tools are coming. What you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so don't miss any of these future uploads.
So once you open this platform, you want to see try for free or generate for free. So click on any of those. Once you enter into the platform, you want to have email generation, video generation, and all of that. You can click that your profile picture to sign in using any email. But first, we are going to create another email. We are going to use this platform to create an email so that we can use. So follow this step, okay? Follow the on-screen instruction now and then use it, okay? So after creating my email here, I went on and I inserted because I want to create an account, okay? I sent verify, and then they will send the code to my inbox, right? Go ahead and refresh. You want to see the code in the inbox of the email here. They go ahead and copy it, then head back to that place, paste it there, and create an account. Now this is how I generated an email and I use it on this platform. All right, so if you take a look at here, you will see you have a lot of tools, lot of features. In your spare time, take a look at this platform, explore it, and try to try these features. So why we are here is we have 50 credits, free 50 credits. We are here for video generation, so I want to show you how you can generate video. Okay, all right, so for you to generate images on this platform, you're going to use just 18 credits. You can see this, right, using GPT image 2. All right, you can open this and look at other models. Okay, we have Nano Banana and other models here, right? Beautiful. So for us to see the video model on this platform, you switch to video. All right, now once you switch to video, everything, all this thing you're going to see here is going to be under studio. Okay, when you click on studio, you have concept, you have model. So you can click concept here to access image and video, and then you can click on this model to check the models that are available on this platform. All right, so for us, let's go ahead and search for models that are available if you are the video features. Now if you look down, you're going to see 150 credits if you are to use Seedance. You can see this, right, and you have just 50 credits. Now, so how do you now use? And then we also have Grok here. If you see Grok and then go there, you want to see you have 60 credits for 480p, right? Now, how do you use this 50 credit to generate on this platform? Just stay with me. I will show you the simple trick around it. All right, so let's go ahead and see View 3.1 how much credit. 256 credit. Wow. And then let's look at Seedance 2.0 first. This is 120 credit. All right, so let's see. This is for 5 seconds, right? Now let's go ahead and see 480p. Now once you are here, okay, if you look at it, this is 120p and you are using 120 to generate, and this is for 5 seconds. So let's switch to 480p and see how much this credit is going to cost us. You have 55 credit. All right, so for us to generate on this platform, we are going to go ahead and make it 4 seconds. So you want to reduce this to 4 seconds. Once you use 4 seconds, you want to have 44 credit. Now if you are looking for, if you want to generate a short video that is like 4 seconds long, okay, yes, you can make your script 4 seconds long duration. All right, and then use this platform and generate. So let's see the quality on this platform. Okay, so you can decide to, if you have an image, okay, you can click this plus sign and bring in your image. For me, I don't have image, so I want to use text to video. So I'll simply press my prompts here, right? And this prompt, I make sure it is 4 seconds long. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and set my aspect ratio to this number is okay, and my audio is toggled on and is one variation, like the one quantity. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click generate. Video will start generating immediately. Remember the email we are using for this, right, for this video, so you can go back again, you know what to do, and keep generating on this platform. This is one of the platforms that I discovered during the weekend. Oops, our video is here. Now let's take a look at this. Okay.
Is this so hard? I'm doing everything right. Wait, this actually worked?
This is incredibly insane, guys. The lip sync is just so perfect. I love the lip sync. It came out exactly 4 seconds. I used, like I told you, use 4 second script here and you get everything perfect without missing. All right, so You can go ahead and click here to download this. Now, downloading this is without the watermark, so you are good to go. So try this out and let me also know the feedback in the comment section of this video. Don't forget to follow the same exact step that I followed here to create for free, like you can see. Then once you are done here, just come here. So once you click on this your profile picture, you go down, you want to see this, all right? Safely go ahead and hit this. If you want to do that, then come back here and refresh, right? Refresh and then get, do you understand, get a new one and head back here and generate for free. So the next platform we're looking at in this video is this platform. Now I want to show you the new features that this platform introduced. If your country is not supporting this platform, you need to use a VPN to access it. But where I am, I can access this. But if yours can access, why not go ahead and try it out? And if yours is not accepting it, please use a VPN. All right, so once you are here, I want to show you the new features that this particular platform introduced, and it will amaze you. All right, so once you open the platform, you're going to have this interface popping up for you to sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. You need to select the email you want to use to sign into this platform. Once you select that email, it will load you up to the real interface for you to start working. All right, so if you look at it, you want to say, how can I assist you today? Now, if you look, you want to see new chat AI creation. These are all what I've created using this platform. But like I said, I want to show you the new feature that this platform introduced recently. And I discovered this during the weekend, and I want to put it out here for you to start using this platform. And as of now, this platform is still free and unlimited. Create images, and you can also create video. So let's go ahead and generate video and see the output. And let's see the models that are available on this platform for video creation. All right, so once I select my video, right, you see this here, and then I'm going to come here and select my model. All right, so come here, you want to see we have the latest Seedance 2.5 is here on this platform. All right, and then you can decide to use Seedance 2.0 fast. You can decide to use Seedance 1.0. So everything depends on what you want to achieve. So then look at the image quality and the video quality on this platform using Seedance 2.0 Seedance 2.5 on this platform. And you can see you can generate up to 10 seconds, and then come here, select your aspect ratio, and go ahead and paste your prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and bring in my prompt. I'm going to paste my prompt here. Now you can add a reference image if you have one, right, to create. So for me, I have text to image. Okay, let's go text to video. Let's go ahead and hit generate. And in no time, it said generated using Seedance 2.5. This will consume 4 video creation credits with an estimated time 5 minutes. Once the video is ready, I will send it. So I have 0 points today left today. So that means that this platform gives you 4 video generation every single day. Because of my prompt, it's going to combine the entire 4 and generate. So I don't have any points again today. So the next day you come back and use this platform. That's how it works. And if you want the alternative way, you can literally sign out and sign in again with a different account and then keep using the platform. And the video is here. Let's go ahead and play this.
You really think you can beat me? Watch me. What? That's not fair!
Once you are cool with everything, go ahead and hit save. To remove the watermark, I also made a video on how you can deal with this watermark. It's either you edit it using your CapCut and zoom out till this plays it out, or you use the video I'm going to leave in the description of this video to remove the watermark. This leads us to the next platform we'll be looking at in this video, and this platform is very free. Look down, you're going to see TikTok Symphony, right? So go ahead and click on this. This is going to open up. So let's implement this now. Let's try and see the quality on this platform and how much credit this platform gives us. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and sign up or log in. All right, I'm going to go ahead and log in. Once you click that login, it's going to give you options. All right, I'm going to sign in using I'm going to log in with my TikTok account because I have a TikTok account. So if you don't have one, this is the easiest way you can use to access this platform. So use your TikTok account. Very easy to access this using your TikTok. Okay, at this point I'm going to continue. So you agree the terms and conditions on this platform, go ahead and confirm, and it will redirect you to the interface like this. So you are here now. Then you can see your profile picture. It will appear here, somewhere here, right? Then you're going to see creative tools. Enter the creative studio. So let's go ahead and try it now. So once you click on that try now, you want to see this. Okay, I want to get creatives, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and click next, then fill in this information, right? Just fill in this information. Your business name can be your name, right? Your account name, of course. Select your industry. So I'm going to just select anyone here. And here I'm going to select here, right? So once you are done with every detail, just go ahead and click that submit. Your account has been created. Choose where to start from. So I'm going to go ahead and recommended Europe. So let's start from here, right? I'm going to confirm. Okay, so once all of those things is done, it's going to load you up to the platform. So once you've created that video, that your business account, you're going to see all of these. Then go ahead and accept. Now look at what it said. You need to read this. Credit do not have any cash value or a non-refundable. All right, so go ahead and click accept. You can skip this. Right now, look up. You're going to have 1,000. Yes, 1,000 free credits. Now, like you can see, I'm not using a VPN. It's working on my end. By just following this process and the steps in this video, you can access this platform. And to generate videos here, you use just 5 credits is required. So that is how beautiful this platform is. And images, you generate images for free. So let's go ahead and create one image so that we can use it and generate our video. These prompts are generated using ChatGPT, and I'm going to paste it here so that I can create our image. Now, I'm going to come here and select my model. So let's use this nano banana. Go ahead and hit generate. Now, if you want to use template, you can come here and select template you want to use. All right, so immediately you send generate, you see it's going to give us in 4 variations. You can see beautiful images because I requested for 3D. You can literally stand there and generate your video. And then if you want to download, just click on it and you're going to see download. Okay, you can download from here or generate video from here. Anyone works. So if you want to generate video, you can switch to video, click there and upload your image. If you've saved the image to your gallery, or you click there and select from library, that is from the generations that we generated on the platform, and you select the one of your choice. Once you select that, you add it up to the timeline and you see it's going to load up. Just go ahead and get your prompt and then let's paste the prompt here, and I switch it to image to video, okay, so that we can literally generate our specific image to video. Do you understand? All right, so I'm now go ahead and allow it to remain there. Okay, the TikTok AI model, allow it to remain there, and when it's increased to 10 seconds, the credit increased to 10 credits. So 1 second to 1 credit, 2 seconds to 2 credits. That's how it works. And you see you have free 1,000 credit. This is enough for you to do any project. So I would say if you build an account on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, even on YouTube Shorts here, go ahead and use this platform. Let me know if you'll be trying this out in the comment section of this video. This is another platform I discovered, and guys, take a look at the quality of this image. And not just that, I was able to generate another image just to implement to see if truly the quality is worth it. And guys, check a look at this. I was able to generate this image and I literally animated them on this platform, and the results are incredibly insane. Now I generated up to 12 seconds. Yes, and it came out so perfect and clean. These are the videos I generated on this platform. Now watch this. Just click on download. And not just that, I went on to generate another type of video. Okay, this one is realistic video, and guys, you will be so marveled with the perfect lip sync.
Why is this so hard? I was doing everything right. Wait, this actually worked?
The result was incredibly insane, and this platform gives us the timeline to literally edit our videos. What you need to do is just drag and drop on the timeline, and boom, your long video is created, and you can just literally click that export button and export this. Guys, when I saw this platform, I have to quickly put it out here so that you'll be the first to start using it. And guys, the results are amazing. Like I said, this platform gives you 1000 free credit every single week. So jump on this and start creating. If this was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so don't miss any of my uploads.
So if you've watched it this time, let me know the platform you'll be trying out.